In this video, we are going to discuss how to prevent heart attack and stroke naturally. How are you today? I hope you are doing well and healthy. First ingredient, plums. Wash 500 grams of plums. Remove the pits from the plum. Plums are high in polyphenol antioxidants, which may reduce inflammation and lower the risk of several chronic diseases. Plums have properties that may help with blood sugar control. Plums may promote heart health due to their potential role in lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Second ingredient, lemons. Lemons are high in heart-healthy vitamin C and several beneficial plant compounds that may lower cholesterol. Lemon juice may help prevent kidney stones. Lemons contain vitamin C and citric acid, which help you absorb non-heme iron from plants. This may prevent anemia. Some plant chemicals found in lemons have been shown to prevent cancer. The soluble fiber in lemons could help improve digestive health. We need the juice of 3 lemons. Put the plums in the blender. Add 100 milliliters of water. Blend the plums in the blender. Take a strainer and squeeze out the juice. Don't throw away the pulp. Put the pulp in 200 grams of thick yogurt. You will get an excellent fruit yogurt. Let's continue with the recipe. Add lemon juice to the plum juice. Mix it up. Pour the juice into a jug. Add ice cubes to the juice. Drink the juice during the day as it suits you. This juice will help you keep your heart healthy. It will help you prevent strokes and heart attacks. Millions of people all around the world are looking for natural solutions to improve their general health. Hopefully, the information in this video can assist you in doing so. Hopefully, by watching this video, you learned something new, and you're now one step closer to improving your general health and, as a result, your quality of life. If this is the case, please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you very much for sticking with me all the way to the end, and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.